Hello, dear ones! Welcome to Tolle Wolle and welcome to a beautiful triangle scarf pattern tutorial. Today, I'll show you a pattern that works beautifully as a triangle scarf. We have chain stitches in the center, super simple chains of 5 chain stitches that interlock repeatedly, creating this beautiful hole and mesh pattern. And on the outside we have a slightly firmer edge, each consisting of twice 3 double crochet clusters. Also super simple, they interlock, continuing on like this, really pretty. And of course, I'll show you how it all works now, and I'll also introduce you to the yarn. Have lots of fun with it. So my dears, I'll show you this cute pattern with this gradient color teddy yarn. It's called Noir, and I have here 143 grams over 480 meters, so really very light yarn for €3 for 3.5 to 4 needles. I actually have a slightly larger needle here, my 5 needle, and we have 100% polyester here. We have gradient yarn here with a bit of mint in it, with gray, with different shades of pink and violet. And let's get started in the magic ring. As I said, I'm crocheting it a bit bigger. Here we have the thread ones. These are twisted individual threads. And it begins with the magic ring. And I start with 3 chain stitches. Then I crochet 2 treble stitches. And again.
Three double crochet.
Again, 3 chain stitches. I'll tighten the ring a little bit.
And crochet again.
3 double crochet. So I crocheted 3 of these clusters, these 3-piece clusters. In the first 3-piece cluster, I replaced the first double crochet with 3 chain stitches. So, and there are always 3 chain stitches in between, so twice 3 chain stitches in between and 3 times the double crochet. So grab some more yarn and then we can continue. I will now turn the whole thing around and actually crochet slip stitches into the top of the stitches here. 1, 2, 3, and bridge over this double crochet here to get back to the little chain of 3. I now go around there once and crochet 3 chain stitches. And crochet 2 more double crochets. 1, 2, then I have crocheted the first 3 structure here again, and then crochet 3 chain stitches and 3 more double crochets. 1, 2, and 3. Then follows a chain of 5 chain stitches to bridge this part here in the middle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it continues here in this space between, in this 3 space between, again, with double crochet stitches. It slipped away from me once. So I want to crochet double crochets. And let's go. First double crochet, second double crochet, third double crochet, again 3 chain stitches, and again 3 double crochets. And now you can already see how this outer structure is forming. These double crochet clusters with the 3 chain stitches in between originate precisely from the center, and in between are the chain stitch sequences. I turn the whole thing over again, crocheting back in slip stitches 1 and die 2
3 and a 4th here already around the chain stitch. And then we continue with the set of 3 double crochets, and for that, of course, I start again with the chain of 3. Then come 2 double crochets, 3 chain stitches, and again 3 double crochets. 1,
2, 3.
Then it continues with the chain stitch chains. This time I make 2 5 chain stitch chains. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now I already have them. Then simply crochet a slip stitch around the chain stitch chain of the previous row and make my 2 5 chain stitch chain, 4, 5, and then crochet the next double treble crochet clusters here around the chain of 3. 1 and 3, 1, 2, 3 chain stitches and 3 more double crochets. 1, 2,
3.
and from here it continues with
Slip stitches back.
over the stitches here to the 3 chain, where I then start again with the next double crochet clusters. 1, 2, then 3 chains again. And again, 3 double crochet stitches. 1, 2, and 3. Then come the chain stitches again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go around once with the slip stitch here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here also around with the slip stitch, and again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here you see how the whole thing is developing now. And then on the outside here, again, the next clusters of treble crochets. 1,
2,
3. 1, 2, 3 chain stitches, and again 1, 2, and
3.
here you can really see everything again very nicely with this middle part and the clusters of double crochet stitches running along the outside. I'll continue crocheting this for a while, and of course we'll show you my update. So my dears, here I am again after a few more rows and also some more colors. You see the rows naturally get longer. For that, the color sections become narrower, and now you can really nicely see the pattern very finely in the middle with the chain stitches intertwining. And here on the edge, the triple crochet clusters. So always double triple crochet clusters that move upward here, and also right here. So with this, you get a really nice stable edge, and at the same time, it's super airy in the middle. So a really lovely summer pattern, and I hope you enjoyed the instructions for this pattern and had fun. If so, leave a thumbs up, subscribe, activate the bell, don't forget. And we'll see each other next time at Tolle Wolle. See you then. Bye.